Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a couple of things that I have to do today. I mean, first, food, obviously, because duh. I've already eaten, washed the plate, clean up the kitchen a little bit, and then I'm gonna pump. I mean, if you watched my last video, you already know there's a new update on my life. So I'm going to pump, and then I'm actually going to film, I mean, the video that I posted, I'm actually going to film that today. I'm going to be recording my first video back on YouTube today. Yeah, I think that's all. I'm going to film the behind the scenes of the video that you guys are going to watch. I mean, it will all make sense. So yeah, and that would be today's vlog. So I'm currently in the laundry room. I want to just pack the stuff that I washed yesterday that I didn't finish, that I didn't take upstairs, and then put some load in the laundry, and we're gone. Yeah. Okay. So basically that's what we're doing today. The sun is sunny. Like, oh, do you see my skin? Do you see this? Anyways, okay, I'm back. So like, I don't know what I thought I was thinking. I will film a vlog today and also film a whole YouTube video today. Like, I don't know who the hell I thought I was. I thought I had this, you know, power. But yeah, that was how, you know, I finished pumping, and by that time I was tired. I was just like, you know what, and what really like made me decide to not film anymore was my camera. I was trying to like see where the light is and whatnot, and then I figured that I have 3 batteries and all the batteries were dead, so I had to charge them before I can actually use my camera and like at least try to figure out like the best angles to film in my kitchen, because it's also a new environment for me to film at. Anyways, I was like, you know what, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not doing this. So I went upstairs. I just went to go and lie down, and tomorrow we're going to pick it up. Anyways, we're going out to IKEA to go check out some stuff, buy a bunch of home improvement stuff. I mean, I'm going to check out the kitchen section, check out the bathroom area, because I want to get stuff for the bathroom, get stuff for the kitchen, and also look for like a TV stand for my TV. So yeah, let's go to IKEA.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
anything. We just went there because they were closing. Like we got there around like 7 p.m. and like they closed at 8, so we just walk around like headless chickens and we didn't get anything. And we had to leave. So yeah, but now we're going to go get food. I'm hungry, I'm tired already from doing nothing all day. But yeah, do you like this one? I kind of like it though. Like it's given, you know, I'm in my green era right now. Like I'm liking everything green these days. It's so cute. But do you like it? I like it though. What about this one? It's giving luxury.
You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be
filming, and when I tell you I'm tired, like oh my god, the whole thing took the whole day because I started prepping at like 10 a.m. Then, you know, after prepping I took my shower, got ready, did my makeup. Duh. I mean, I look so pretty. I know, thank you. But yeah, did my makeup, then going to the kitchen, started recording at around 2 because I went back, then did more prepping, then went back around to 2. So it's currently like almost 6, like 5:36 right now. So from 2 till like about 5:20 I eventually finished the video. I'm exhausted. Like just filming the video alone took about 3 hours. So yeah, if you see this video and you see the other video, please comment, like, just let me know what it is, because what you think, because I had fun filming the video, and I hope whoever is watching or whoever sees any of my videos has fun when they're watching. And also leave a comment down below, like what next you would like to see, like what type of food would you like to see on my channel, like food ideas, video ideas, whatever ideas, you know, because I'm trying to grow this channel. Right now we're at like 300 and something subscribers. I'd like to be at 1,000 subscribers at least, so we can start getting this YouTube money, because the but yeah, like leave a comment, like what would you like to see. If you have any questions for me, any type, like, you know, motherhood questions, how it's been so far, whatever. What else? Like food questions, lifestyle, like whatever questions you guys have, just leave down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, thank you for watching. I think I'm probably going to end this vlog here because I'm going to go just take a nap because at this point I'm exhausted. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye.